he's a promoter. He executed an organized child organized child extraction during Easter. One is supposed to be Sarah, 22nd. Another one is supposed to be Guru,
22nd
of April. Another one is supposed to be Guru, Ira, and Aruna. He subcontracted his colleague and pastor also by the event, and they started arranging this. They notified the police about the same, requested for security. The police on the 15th of April responded by saying yes, we have no problem with your concerts, do ABC. They gave the basic conditions. They want to give the program, to make arrangements for security. The other things they mentioned in that notice. So on the 19th of April, the applicants responded and said this is what we have complied with. Now, after the response they gave and everything was verified by the police, confirmed that everything was okay, they were shocked to get a letter from the IGP indicating that the process had not been used, citing extraneous matters, not the conditions they had set. They said that previously there was non-compliance, and on that basis they would not allow this. That the other events, other concerts they had organized some time back, there was non-compliance, so therefore they are stopping this. Yet in this particular case there was total compliance and evidence is on record. So basically, yes, and they had already executed the agreement. One for the 22nd concert, it was supposed to be 8 million. They had paid a half. For the rest of the concerts, each one was supposed to be 15 million. They had already paid half. They had already paid the
How much have you paid?
40 million for the first show.
Total?
25. Each of they had paid half their fee. They had paid 75 and 40 million. And they had already paid other things which are required to organize such a concert, including ambulances, security personnel, and everything that is required. And they had already started their agreements. So
What do they want?
what they want is this court of Washington taking such decisions which are proper, which are receiving the order, stopping that concert, challenging the concert. Actually, they said it will never be organized from that level. And yet, these are organized concert. So it would appear actually they have been banned from organizing concerts worldwide. That is dangerous for the existence. So what that decision, you apply what happened to the decision in Washington. Because of the nationality, unreasonableness, and all that.
Again, the applicant's directions, which according to them, say to the so you can't afford until otherwise. Have you filed your request? Can you take like 10 minutes for written submissions? Because I have a session. High court. And then you can come in and give your date to come in and flesh out after the submissions. Are you okay with that?
It will be accommodated for the submissions.
Yes, you can make your own submission with the date and date. But first do your written submission.
Like I earlier on indicated to my lord, we're coming into the festive season, which is always a risky business for them. And, I'm sorry about it, but classical indulgence of the
It's not going to change anything. Criminal proceedings take precedence over civil proceedings. This is a civil proceeding. I have a case in ICT. Not ICT today, it's High Court. It's a criminal case that has gone on forever. We had to have a special session for it. That's one. I'm not going to be around. So you could use this time to file your written submissions. Then when I come back, you come in for that oral fleshing out. It's the quickest way around it. You still have your day for oral, but after that, better than instead of me just giving you another date to come back. What if something else happens? Okay? Are you okay? Okay, these are the options. Either choose that or we just take another day
No, my lord.
when you can come and we proceed alright.
Normally, Lord, for us, we are looking forward to getting this matter disposed of expeditious.
But what is
Whichever way is. My lord, we can put in the written submissions and come back for that. That's kind of
had the police authorized your clients to go
Yes, there is a letter of 15th March.
saying?
No, 15th April. Saying yes, there are no problem with the concert, only that they put three conditions, specific conditions, which were fulfilled. And there is evidence on record for that, and those conditions were satisfied.
So which date? When can you file your submissions?
Although there are submissions and we will be within, I think by Monday. Today is Thursday, by Monday.
You know that. Usually they're in exact days, not days of the week.
We are talking about the event.
Remember? Respondent submission.
payment days, my lord.
First of December.
December?
I will fetch you out. It's a crazy day.
We pay that, my lord. Okay, just.
On the 13th of December. I'm not around until 11th or 12th. I'm giving you the best available dates I have. What?
13th.
What are you sniggering? No, I need you to have the patient out. There are options. You can take it to the registrar and she places it before another judge.
No. I'm sorry, my lord.
I'm not around. I have a conference.
No, we've been patient since
So you choose. I'm giving you the best options in my diary. Yours is not the only case. I have so much night down for December.
I understand.
Put out.
I understand that. Let's go by that. We go by
You have
your.
options.
No, my lord, let's go by your thoughts. My lord.
The 13th of December. This shouldn't be too long. I have judgment 6 for that day, so if you come in the morning at 10, okay? But then your clients are not stopped from holding other shows, just the Bobby Wine show, right?
Yes, my lord, it's best car of the government.
So it's not
Even
like
other shows.
Even other shows, not
Even
even
all shows.
no.
where is that directive?
The shows of
It's
other
a
musicians.
No, I don't want you to exaggerate. They say you can't hold any other shows.
Yes.
You
It's
know
not
that
our
already.
recent show. It's not-
There was a chepukuru in Wankurukuku where Bobby Wine was not at all blocked and it was also blocked. That's what they are saying. I'm sorry for that, my lord. That's what they are saying. It was also blocked. They deployed there.
But not that when they stopped the other one, they said that they are stopping all their shows. So that
No, in the
issues are
communication they did not mention that. In the communication they talked about the Bobby Wine
then
shows.
you have to do it a different way. That's not in this case. So don't mix it up. Don't get twisted. You should always remain objective. What you're here for is the stopping of that show and the construct of the notice. Stop. And I asked that communication. Did it say Abitex can't hold any shows?
My lord, the way they insinuated that if we
Okay, it
could,
shall come out as I
if we could just look at it briefly, the way they
will
indicated
definitely
it, that,
look at it.
that given the fact that your previous shows, we are not allowing any other show. So that's what they say.
I will look at it. I'll look at it.